Hello friends, welcome to MEC Thermal channel. So in today class, I will discuss the ideal gas equation in various forms. There are different types of equations will represent in different books. All gives the same meaning. So first I will take PV is equal to MRT. This is a one type of ideal gas equation, one form, where P is pressure in Newton per meter square, and V is in volume, meter cube, and M is mass, kg. Then R is, it is not a universal gas constant. Many of the students will be confused that it is a universal gas constant, that is R bar R is equal to 8.314. This is a universal gas constant value 8.314, but here it is R is not a universal gas constant, it is just a gas constant. The unit of this gas constant is R, joule per kg Kelvin, and T stands for temperature in Kelvin. So this is a one form of ideal gas equation. Now using this equation, I will write another form, second equation. So let us V is equal to MRT. You write as it is, one type. So P, this mass I will take on the left hand side of the denominator. P by V is equal to RT. So V is volume. Volume divided by mass. We know the equation meter cube per kg is a unit of specific volume. So P specific volume is equal to RT. This is another type of ideal gas equation. This is one form. This is second form of ideal gas equation. So we'll consider one more equation. So I will write again PV is equal to MRT. The basic form, always you will write the same equation everywhere. Now the ratio of specific volume, that is V, specific volume is equal to 1 by rho. Reciprocal of specific density is specific volume. So in this equation number 2, form of 2, I will write P is equal to M by V is equal to RT. So P is equal to mass by volume, that is, it is a density. That is third type of form of ideal gas equation. Here rho is density, R is gas constant, T is temperature in Kelvin, P is the pressure. This is third type of ideal gas equation. The fourth, what we'll write here is same equation. I can take P by rho is equal to RT. This is also an ideal gas equation. P by rho is equal to RT. The fifth type of ideal gas equation, what I will write here is, so PV is equal to MRT is a basic equation. So P into V, volume, it is not specific volume, volume. Specific volume I will be represented with letter like this. This is specific volume. So here I will write M as it is. R is equal to, I will take the ratio of R bar divided by M. Here R bar is universal gas constant. That unit is 8.314. That I will substitute here R bar by M into T as it is. The ratio of mass by molecular weight. M stands for here molecular weight. Molecular weight of different gases. If you have taken carbon dioxide, molecular weight of carbon, nitrogen, molecular weight of nitrogen. But M is here mass. The difference between these two M will be careful. Okay, both are not same. So PV is equal to the ratio of mass by molecular weight. Will take it as number of moles. That is N R bar T. So this is a one form of ideal gas equation. That is fifth form. So PV is equal to N R bar T, and P by rho is equal to RT. P is equal to rho RT here. And the second type equation is PV is equal to R. Students, so they will get confused between all these five types of ideal gas equations. So all these five types are same form of ideal gas, but in different ways, different properties, different notations here. N is number of moles. and R bar is gas constant, that is universal gas constant. Okay, so such type of simple and confusing topics, all the simple and confusing equations and confusing definitions we discussed in previous video lectures and all. So it is all the such type. For example, difference between refrigeration and air conditioning, difference between solid and fluid, difference between liquid and gases. What is the difference between heat and thermodynamics? So all such type of interesting and questions we discussed, and it is available in the channel. So click on this channel, and you can find answers for those questions also. So thank you so much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.